In this video, you'll learn how to export your audience from Mailchimp. By following these steps, you will successfully download your audience data for further use or analysis. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Mailchimp website. You can do this by entering the Mailchimp URL into the address bar. Once you are on the home page, ensure that you are signed into your account. If prompted, enter your credentials and click login to access your dashboard. After logging in, look for the main navigation menu on the left side of the screen. Click on the option labeled Audience. This action will take you to the audience management section where you can view all your contacts. If you have multiple audiences, select the one you wish to export from the drop-down menu, ensuring you are working with the correct audience. Once you are in the audience section, locate the All Contacts option and click on it. This will display a list of all email addresses and subscriber details within your selected audience. Take a moment to review the contacts to confirm they're the correct ones you want to export. Next, find the button labeled Export Audience located near the top right corner of the contacts list. Clicking this button will prompt a message indicating that you are about to export all contacts from your selected audience. This confirmation ensures you understand the action you are about to take. After confirming your intent to export, click on the button labeled Export CSV. A CSV file will be prepared for download. Depending on the size of your audience, this may take a few moments. Once the file is ready, your browser will either automatically download the file or prompt you to save it. Ensure you have enough storage space on your device to accommodate the file, especially if your audience contains a large number of contacts. After the download is complete, navigate to your downloads folder or the specified location where the file was saved. You should see a file with a .cvs extension containing your audience data. This file can now be opened using spreadsheet software for further analysis or integration into. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.